How to map Shark Robot Vacuum. To map your Shark Robot Vacuum, follow these steps to create an accurate home layout for efficient cleaning. First of all, charge the robot fully before starting the mapping process. Then open the SharkClean app on your phone and sign in or create an account. Connect the robot to your Wi-Fi via the app. Place the robot on the dock in an open area to start mapping. Tap Map or Explore in the app to begin mapping your home. Let the robot explore the full floor without interruptions. Remove clutter and obstacles to allow complete room scanning. Keep doors open to areas you want mapped. Then avoid moving the robot manually during mapping. Wait until mapping completes, which may take one or more runs. Review the map in the app and label rooms if needed. Save and customize the map for future room-specific cleanings. Thanks for watching.